Guys, let's harvest our cucumber. Okay, ito na guys ating cucumber. Ayan, one down. Cucumber guys, here inside agatong cucumber. Ang laki. Why you cannot? Dako guys itong cucumber. And here, pwede na ni kuhaon guys kay maguwang na pod. Ayan, itong cucumber. Ayan, marami pang bunga dyan inside. Ito pa oh. Okay, guys. Here. Marami pa dito. Doon sa kabila, marami. Dapat pala guys, ipaakyat doon. Here. Ito. Can you hold? Ito. Meron pa ba? Wow, ito so big. So big. Ayan. So big ang ating cucumber. They're so young pa ni guys. Ayun o, meron pa marami sa ilalim. Here. Let's see. Oh. This one super lucky. Super big. Yan. Super big. Diba guys? Super lucky ng ating cucumber. Meron pa sa kabila. That's our harvest for today guys. First harvest. Second harvest ng ating cucumber. Organic cucumber. Fresh and organic. Thank you. Follow for more.